Have you ever wanted to grow a YouTube channel? Well, I did. So I started exactly 9 months ago and I've just hit 500 subscribers. So this video is explaining my findings so far and to say a massive thank you to all the followers that have supported me along the way. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. My target at the beginning of this year was to hit 100 subs. I started completely fresh at 0 subs, 0 followers, 0 on all the other social media and no email list. Given that I have a full-time job and only post videos once a week, I thought that that was a good target to meet. Well, there's still 3 months left of the year and together we've absolutely smashed that goal, and that's thanks to you and your continued commitment to watching the videos. Now, I've seen other influencers estimate it takes the average YouTube channel between 12 to 18 months to get monetized. And going on my progress so far, I'd say that's spot on. So at the risk of just becoming another stat, if anyone watching this is considering starting a channel and wanting to hit that monetization milestone, it's likely to take just over 1 year to reach it. But I'll update you on the exacts as I continue to grow and actually hit that milestone myself. Throughout my journey, I've learned so much and had so many interesting conversations with people. I realise there's a bundle of stuff still to learn, but interactions and questions you've been asking in this last 9 months has made getting to this point very enjoyable. You see, I love helping people, so every time someone asks a question, I get to answer it, and I simply love doing that. So if you're stumbling across my channel or one of my videos for the very first time, then absolutely do not be afraid to reach out. I would love to chat and I'll do my very best to answer your questions around content creation and open source software. Now, something that I have witnessed on another channel is that subscriber rates can grow, but that doesn't mean the watch time will increase at the same rate. And as most of you will know, you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers to be legible for monetization. My subs and watch time seem to be incrementing roughly at the same rate, but I have noticed that now I'm used to it, I'm paying close attention to these metrics as I grow, and I suggest keeping track of this right from the start would benefit you as well. And there's probably a gazillion people already out there saying this exact thing, but I'm just explaining what I have learned from my own experiences. So if we head over to the computer, I can show you what I mean looking at the YouTube analytics. You will notice that the key metrics I just mentioned, YouTube put in front of you on the main dashboard. And you can see that for me, over the last year, they have been increasing steadily. Going into next year, I plan to carry on helping content creators, personal brands and influencers learn open source software and adopt free tools. If you think this will help you, or if you know anyone else that may benefit, please do share the channel and consider subscribing. And thank you once again for all your continued support so far. And I cannot wait to help you create your own content heading into next year.